They have no managers. They are bottom of the league. Please, Chelsea, don't you dare to lose. So this is my lines up against Wolf. So keeper Sanchez, and then my right back and left back, Rich James and Cucurella. And then center back pairing, please don't change anymore. Fafana and Shaloba. And then midfield is Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. And then attacking midfield is Joao Pedro. And then my wings will be Estaval and Garnacho. Frontman Dela. Score prediction. I don't know leh. Don't lose Canel lah. Okay, my. Don't lose Canel. Chelsea 2, Wolf nil. Okay. Please comment below your score prediction.